I'm going to make a post about this one. This is a really good one right here. I'm going to make like a full-on story about this one. Be right back. I'll tell you guys something, bro. Like, this industry is so fake and it's full of hypocrites, bro. Like, you can tell when somebody's a guru and you can tell when somebody ain't real. You know what I'm saying? I've taken almost everybody's course, bro. Almost everybody's course, literally. And let me tell you, bro, not even a handful of my teachers, you know, the instructors, not even a handful tell me today, yo, Daniel, you know what? I'm proud of you. You know, not even a handful, not even a handful. You know what I mean? And it's just like, bro, like, why are you out here selling content? Because you want people to win. But when they win, you hate on them. You start to hate on them, and then you don't give a them. You see, not everybody wants to see you win, man. Me, my student can make $5. And guess what? I'm gonna be like, you know what? I'm proud of you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, not everybody wants to see you win, bro. And that's just how it is, and it's sad. And then you have people like Uncle Ted, Raja, Wix Don't Lie, and Monty, bro. Like, they go live every single day on YouTube, and they trade with people because they genuinely want to see you win. Like, nobody does that, bro. Nobody, bro. That's amazing. Bro, that's inspiration, right? That's motivation, bro. You know, nobody does what they do, bro. You know, you got people who don't care about you. They just want to make money off of sell off you and then say, good luck forever. And then you got people like that who just want to, I'm going to be happy as hell. Why? Because that $5 eventually one day is going to turn into 500, into 5,000, man. And if he's a smart man, it could turn into 5 million. Simple, bro. I just want to see the world win.